Welcome to my channel. This is a day after winter storm where we had a lot of snow. You can see behind me on the side here. We had about 18 inches of snow last night. So if this is the first time you're visiting my channel, smash that button, subscribe, and give us a thumbs up. You can leave a comment on this video and also turn notifications on so you are notified every time I post a video, and I do that every single day. Join me here. I'm gonna run some errands. I'm gonna show you how the streets look. The freeways and highways should be fine, but the streets, as you can see over there behind me or in front of me, they haven't plowed yet. They did one side, which is where I parked. All right, join me. As you can see, the street here is now plowed. Both sides are now plowed. This here is a main street. It's called Rice Street, and you can see this plowed, but the side streets, the smaller streets, have not been plowed. And I expect the highways and freeways to be okay. Yeah, we had the first winter storm last night for 2021. It's 33 degrees and it's warming up, so the weather forecast is that it's gonna warm up by Monday and all the snow will melt. As you can see, in winter it looks beautiful, but sometimes driving is challenging, especially when we have a lot of snow and ice accumulates on the roads. That's dangerous. Right now there's no ice and the street looks pretty good, just wet. Thank you for watching this short video. We'll see you on the next video. Peace out.